In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion for many. From work pressures to personal responsibilities, the weight of daily life can feel overwhelming. But what if you had a tool that could help you find calmness and clarity anytime, anywhere? Welcome to Guided Meditation, a simple yet powerful practice to melt away stress and cultivate inner peace. This video takes you on a deeply relaxing meditation journey, helping you unwind, reset, and regain control over your emotions. With the right techniques, you can train your mind to stay calm and focused, even in the most challenging situations. Setting the stage, creating a calm and focused environment. Before diving into meditation, it's essential to create an environment that supports relaxation. Here are a few steps to enhance your experience. Checkmark. Find a quiet space. Choose a comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. Checkmark. Set the mood. Dim the lights, light a scented candle, or play calming music to elevate the experience. Checkmark. Sit comfortably, whether on a chair or the floor. Ensure your posture is relaxed but upright. Checkmark. Focus on breathing. Begin by taking slow, deep breaths to prepare your mind and body for meditation. Guided meditation, journey to a stress-free state of mind. Now, let's begin our guided meditation. Sparkle. Step 1. Deep breathing. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, then exhale gently. Repeat this process, feeling the tension leaving your body with each breath. Sparkle. Step 2. Body relaxation. Shift your attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving upwards. With each breath, allow any tension or stress to melt away. Sparkle. Step 3. Visualization. Picture yourself in a serene place, a quiet beach, a peaceful garden, or a cozy cabin in the mountains. Feel the warmth of the sun, the gentle breeze, or the soothing sound of waves. Let this mental imagery deepen your relaxation. Sparkle. Step 4. Mindfulness and gratitude. Focus on the present moment. Observe your thoughts without judgment, and express gratitude for the peace you are cultivating. Acknowledge the calmness within you and embrace it. Extending the benefits, integrating meditation into daily life. The key to a stress-free life is consistency. Here's how you can make meditation a daily habit. Small diamond. Start small. Even 5 to 10 minutes of meditation daily can create a profound impact. Small diamond. Mindful breathing. Use deep breathing techniques whenever you feel stressed, at work, in traffic, or while waiting in line. Small diamond. Incorporate meditation into routine tasks. Meditate while drinking tea, walking, or before sleeping to develop mindfulness effortlessly. Small diamond. Use guided meditations. Listen to meditation audios or watch our videos regularly to stay committed to the practice. Closing thoughts and call to action. Meditation is more than just a stress relief technique, it's a way of life. With regular practice, you'll experience enhanced focus, emotional balance, and overall well-being. Now, we'd love to hear from you. How has meditation helped you? What techniques do you find most effective? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Checkmark. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful meditation guides. Checkmark. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a session. Embrace the power of meditation and unlock a stress-free, peaceful life today.